Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com on Tuesday, February 4th. Looking at Michael Kors today. Loving Michael Kors. I really like my stiletto heels, though I just really wear them around the house with my yoga pants, so only my dogs can see. I can't believe I'm saying this, and we're sending this out to our entire email list. But I'm just going to let it hang there. I'll leave the visual to you. And I'll ask you, hey, what are you wearing? Okay, here's the thing, though. This was actually, I thought it would be a better short. I thought this would be a better short than it turned out to be. It was actually kind of a tough short all day today. But first, let's look at how this works. I slapped some Bollinger Bands around this, clear out to 4 standard deviations. Now, 3 standard deviations should be containing like 99.9% of the closing prices. So that should be enough. But when the stock's trading up that high, I'm thinking, well, let's just look at 4 standard deviations and see what happens there. You'll notice, by the way, the stock has never been outside 4 standard deviations up here. So this was kind of a big deal, kind of like Netflix was back in the day. So we're looking at Michael Kors here, and it trades up this high. But if you look at it intraday, the stock gapped up, traded around a little bit, but then just really didn't sell off a lot. It trickled lower throughout the day, but man, it didn't exactly implode. So this is actually a pretty strong stock, stronger than you might think. So here's what I'm suggesting. This is really the resistance for the stock. We'll call it 84. We'll call it 85 bucks. This is really the resistance for the stock. I could see this stock potentially, if we have a rollover in the market, I could see this stock coming down to say $85, $86. That's really the time that I would be more inclined to be buying this. I'm short this stock right now. And I will cover it if the stock starts moving to a new high. Like if it starts moving above 93.18, then I'll cover it. I'm a skittish short. I always have been. I can short stocks, but I just know that generally speaking, the market tends to go higher. And I'd rather be swimming with the current than against it. So I tend to, my shorts, I tend to keep them short. So, okay, so try this short with Michael Kors. See if it works. Ultimately, the stock sure looks like it's going higher, but for the immediate future, the next few days or maybe a week or so, I could see this stock being fairly weak. So anyway, members, get over to the strategy session. I've got kind of some right here, right now stocks, as well as a discussion of our shot across the bow. Okay, I'll see you there.